Today, I'm going to share how I film and edit all of my videos for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, all with my iPhone. If you're new here, my name is Tabitha, and I own a small business called Tab's Art Shop, where I turn my art into stickers, bookmarks, cards, and more. I also love creating content showing how I create products behind the scenes of my shop and inspiring you guys to learn a new craft or start your own small business. I started my shop in January of 2022, and about a year later is when I started creating content on social media. I wish I would have started sooner, so if you take anything away from this video, it is to start creating content now. So I film and edit everything on my iPhone using CapCut. I'm going to show you guys a beginner tutorial on how to edit videos on there and get it ready to post on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. You can create really great quality just simply using your smartphone, and then you can edit directly on here and upload from here. So it's really easy and a great way to start. You do not need an expensive camera and equipment to start posting short form content. You can repurpose that same video to all three platforms, which not only makes it way easier because you don't have to film something different for each one, but it's gonna help grow all of them at once. So you need your smartphone and a tripod. So I like this tripod. I'll try and have it linked down below. I got it from Amazon. That's what it's called if you can see it. ATUMTEK. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I like this one because the top swivels. So if you want to use this tripod for long form content, you definitely can. And then you can also swivel it to film short form content. Because as you know, for long form, it needs to be horizontal. For short form, it is vertical. So this is all you need to get started filming short form content for social media. You don't need fancy equipment. You simply need your phone and a tripod. And then everything else is lighting, angles, and making it satisfying to keep the viewer's attention. And I pretty much always just use natural lighting. I am lucky enough to have some big windows in my craft room, but natural lighting is your best friend. It looks the best, it looks natural, and you don't have to buy any fancy lighting, just simply use the sun. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna show you guys how I film and edit a video and get it ready to post on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Okay, I'm using an iPhone 13 Pro Max. I film all my videos on 4K and 60 frames per second. I find that this setting makes the video nice and crisp. Whenever you're filming, you want it to be clear and you don't want any like pixelation or for it to be blurry. So 4K is great. And then take a microfiber or some kind of cloth and clean your camera lenses so there's no fingerprints and no little specks. All right, let's get started. So whenever I'm creating content, I try to get different angles. So I start off by usually getting like an overhead shot of inserting the paper or pulling the print from the printer. Doing this creates like an ASMR satisfying sound, which immediately captures the viewer's attention, because if you don't capture them within the first couple seconds, they are likely to just swipe away. So after that first clip, I'm going to move the phone camera and get a different view. It's all about switching up the views. Now you can see I am using an overhead tripod. I have it set up a little janky, but it works because you don't want it clipped to the desk and then have the desk moving whenever you're filming. You want everything to be nice and steady. So I'm using this overhead one. Don't mind me making sure my little fake nails are pressed on. And then I usually like test it out to see how the angle looks, and then go ahead and start filming and getting all kinds of different angles. You can also see that I added the plants and the books just so it adds a little more, I guess, like dimension and products in the background, so it's not just plain. But I've done videos both ways and both of them have turned out fine. But you can see here I'm doing another view and camera angle. So this, like I said, it helps keep the viewer's attention when you switch up angles. Most of my short form content is between 10 and 30 seconds long. But at the end, you want to make sure you show the final product. But okay, I'm pulling up CapCut and I'm inserting all of the clips we just filmed. But you can see here, basically what I'm doing is I want to delete this portion. So you can either drag the bar over or go to the spot that you want to start the cut, hit split, and then delete the portion you no longer want in there. And this is pretty much how I always do it. I just feel like it's easier this way. And I can go directly to the spot that I want to remove, just split it, and then delete the other portion. But I'm gonna go through all of the clips and split and delete the portions I don't want, and then I will come back once I'm done doing this, because this is the most time consuming. After I'm done editing my different clips, I'm going to create jump cuts. And basically what that is short clips that jump to different angles. So pretty much what I've been talking about in this entire video is filming different angles. And you can see here, I'm pretty much making each clip about 1 second long, because that is fast paced, and with short form content comes with short attention spans. So 1 second clips is great. After I'm done with that, I go to adjust, and I usually brighten it a little bit, add a little saturation, sharpen it, however you want to edit your video. And then once you're done with that, you have to slide the adjustment over, or it will only adjust that one clip. I then rewatch the video and just make sure everything looks good. Once I'm happy with how the video looks, I will sometimes add text. I always add text, but sometimes I add it in CapCut, sometimes I add it in like Instagram or TikTok editing section. It's up to you. If you want to personalize it more, I recommend just doing it in CapCut. There are so many different fonts and animations and effects, so you can really make it a lot of fun. And having that text on screen for the first couple seconds is also going to be a way that you can grab the viewer's attention. And you can change the color, add like a background or like a glow, whatever you want. You can really play around with it and make it your own and make it really fun. And then when it comes to animations, I love using the typewriter setting. Not only is it different and more engaging, you can also add a typewriter sound over that, which kind of adds a little bit of an ASMR touch. So just go to sound, type in typewriter. I usually use this first one, typewriter 02. You just add it and then just play it and trim the sound down so it actually matches your text animation. You can also add voiceovers, so if you want the same voiceover and then repurpose the video between all platforms, this is a great way to do it. You can hold down the button to immediately start recording or just press it and it will count down so you can prepare. And that's it. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you learned a couple extra tips and tricks for filming content for social media. Let me know if you have any more questions and I'll see you in my next video very soon.